So a lot of parents ask, why don't you sell your toys individually? And I will say that there are tons of toy companies out there, but we at Lovevery, our purpose and our mission is to have an ongoing relationship with you as a parent to help your child develop to their fullest potential. So we're really an early learning program. You eat each box and we obsess and work with child development experts about exactly what skills your child is trying to build in this moment in time. And we include everything you need to know about that stage. And then that stage, as your child grows, those boxes build upon each other just like your children's skills are growing and evolving. So we really want to have an ongoing relationship with you and not just kind of have like a one toy, not know when to use it, how to use it, what's the purpose. We really want to be able to partner with parents for their child's development over the long run.